Brinc is a global accelerator. We are focused in supporting physical product startups. We started around 5 years ago with IoT products, and we have been expanding into the Industry 4.0, 5G, drones, robotics, and now the food tech program.
I think the thing that I liked the best in the program is that we got partnered with, we got to explore partnerships with many development firms, and we got partnered with a development firm that is incredibly talented and that helped us progress significantly. Additionally, while we've been in the program, I think what Brinc does really well is that they bring in people from very diverse areas to give you a full understanding of everything you need to be competent at as a startup.
I represent Shape VC, a hardware fund. We are a partner of Brinc program Acceleration. Brinc helps us to reach potential hardware investments coming from all around the world. And as a matter of fact, we are very happy to announce that we managed to make our first investment with a team coming from the first batch of acceleration program called Accelerator Biomedical, and we are very happy to share this news with everyone.
We have two programs in Poland, a Scale-Up program and Poland Prize program. Both are being partnered and financed by CARP. Startups are moving to Poland for 4 months, and they are receiving from us services such as mentorship, so workshops and product development services.
There's an amazing VC landscape in Poland. We've been able to start discussions with a number of VCs, and we see really large potential of raising additional investment that we need here.
We're very happy about this last cohort. We had amazing teams, and we're already searching for the next great teams that are going to join the family. Our next program's rollout has already been opened, so I invite people to go to brinc.io/apply, and they can jump and be part of our family.